Let's see how things went from turned up to terrible weather at Royal Caribbean's Hideaway Beach. Come along. Good morning. So they've already played the Perfect Day at CoCo Cay song. I am heading up to get breakfast, just a little something light to get me to 11 o'clock when all of the vendors and booths open up at Perfect Day. Yesterday it was very calm on the ship. Not a lot going on yesterday, but it was a good start to our cruise. So yeah, time for breakfast, and then I like to do breakfast, then get all girled up and head down, make my way down after breakfast. So alrighty, on to the windjammer. Here is a tip at the bottom of the ship. Just before you get to the gangway, there is a towel stand that you can check out towels at and not have to look for the towel booths on CoCoCay. Alrighty, so here on CoCo Cay, and we are sandwiched between Mariner Seas and Icon. It's my first time seeing Icon in person, and she is huge. Can't wait to give you all the view of the two apps side by side. So today for CoCo Cay, trying something new to me, and that is the whole experience with and that is the whole Hideaway Bay experience, which has gotten cheaper since the inaugural selling of Icon of the Seas. So, all right, let's go. It looks like it's gonna be a semi-perfect day at CoCo Cay. We would quickly find out this was not gonna be the best day or perfect day at CoCo Cay weather-wise. Alrighty, so coming over here, you see which directions the tram should go, and I am over here. Okay, so actually I was supposed to go to the tram station to the right, and instead I hurried up and jumped on the tram to the left, which was actually going everywhere but Hideaway Beach Club. So here's a tip: go to this tram station to the right if you are heading to Hideaway. If you get on the wrong tram, you will have to wait to get back to the transfer station and then catch the right trolley to Hideaway Bay. We've made it to the newest feature of CoCo Cay, which is Hideaway Beach Club, or Bay, or it's cute. So I didn't know there was a lagoon beach, so I'm excited about that, even though the water might be cold. Plenty of seating. Icon and Mariner are in port today, and it's not crowded yet. So you have Mariner of the Seas and Icon of the Seas in port here. Hideaway is not packed yet. Looks like a few people have made it to the pool. I think we have a seat here. There is a snack shack inside of Hideaway Bay with all of your favorites, all the usuals. Whenever 11 o'clock hits, you still get all your faves. There's Washi Washi. Bars. All right, we are here at Royal Caribbean's newest Hideaway Bay. Wonderful, large heated lagoon pool. I got new equipment, so I have a Bluetooth. I got a new tripod. We're gonna have some fun today as we're here in Hideaway Bay. Not too crowded. There's Icon of the Seas, there's Mariner of the Seas. So we're gonna have some good weather. Hopefully these clouds burn off and it'll become a perfect day at CoCo Cay. Come along. Let's So if you don't know by now, Hideaway Beach is the adults only party area on CoCo Cay for individuals 18 and up to have a good old time. Okay, so there are cabanas over here. There are two sets of cabanas. So there's like a beach cabana and there's one that's further away. I recommend the ones that are over here. So here's the example of one of the cabanas. I love these because it's very, very close to the action. So you can still see everything and you can still get the cabana access here. And you're very close to the restroom, as you can see. Things that matter, restroom and bar, just in case you have a slow waiter. Whereas the other cabanas are a little further out. They're all the way over there. And they don't have much access to these. So I'll find out the name, but I would say get the commanders that are close to the pool versus the hideout, unless you want a much more quiet experience. All right, I'm about to put this camera down and have some fun. The Hideaway Beach Club features a DJ in the middle of its pool, which is a feature. If you would like to really be involved in the party of the day, go right in front of that section. That's where all the dancing will be. Here is the drink menu. You can pause to see what is offered, and then most importantly, they brought their cutest bartenders at Hideaway. These guys not only can make a drink, but they're cute to look at.
A couple of things, y'all. So, Hideaway has their cutest bartenders working. Look at them. They're cute.
Another tip for if you want to be a part of the action is to find one of these pool tables, which basically they have bar stools for you and your friends to kind of lounge and talk until the party kicks up. One thing I was not expecting was the turn up to have some Virgin Voyages vibes, and there's a champagne shooter right in the middle of the pool. This added a fun element to the party. After a few rounds of champagne showers, we started to notice the weather was quickly turning.
Of all our guests, our ship's crew, and our island team members, and we thank you for your understanding. 4 p.m. Thank you.
Okay, so guys, this is the first we've been asked to board our ship 30 minutes early because there's an impending storm. This is the first one that's ever happened. We were having a great day at CocoCay. The bartenders are great here in Hideaway, but I appreciate safety first. I was putting out this first, so if it's good to know that people are monitoring the situations, are just saying like, hey, it might be time for you to get back on board. So we're just gonna go ahead and get out the pool now. All right, see you back on the ship. It was a Caribbean theme this night, and there were a lot of songs and dancing going on in the main dining room, which is something that I personally have not seen on a Royal Caribbean ship before, but I found it was fun and very energetic. This is cool. Royal's been doing some performances in the main dining room, so awesome to see. Royal Caribbean frequently has parties in its promenade, and on this evening the celebration was 70s themed.
If you could see how awesome we look from up here, this will be on TV by the way. You're going to see what we are looking at tomorrow on TV from Epic Camera.
There are a few people who dress up, but for the most part, people were there just to enjoy the sounds as well as the old school dances.
Who's your daddy?
The Bamboo Room is one of the bars that is unique to Mariner of the Seas, and it can be found immediately off of the promenade offering tiki cocktails. Alright, here checking out the Bamboo Room, which is their tiki bar concept here. It's really cute. It is very cute. Alrighty, heading into Star Lounge, which has been like this Mariner of the Seas karaoke / live entertainment venue, so checking out their music scene. Our group ended up spending most nights, or closing out most nights, in the Star Lounge, listening to the live band as things got pretty interactive. The band was great, folks started dancing, and it was overall a good time. You can see how close we are, hugging the coast of Florida, and We're supposed to be down by the Bahamas, but we still got 2 days. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with this weather. So far, it's about 1 o'clock in the morning. Small jiggles and a couple creaks, but nothing major. When we first pulled away from port, it felt like we weren't moving at all. And then now you can kind of get some small shakes, but no major movement or anything yet. So we'll see how the weather progresses. This storm turned out to be one of the worst storms of the 2024 travel season, which impacted over 30 ships. Tune in to see how we ended up spending 2 whole days at sea. This is Sia with C. Thanks for traveling with me. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.